How to enable or disable multi-window for all apps on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Settings App. Now in Settings, scroll down to and click on Developer option. After click on Developer option, scroll down and search multi-window for all apps from here. Scroll down. You will see multi-window for all apps is here. If you want to enable multi-window for all apps, turn on this button. After turn on this button, you will see multi-window for all apps is enabled. If you want to disable multi-window for all apps, turn off this button. After turn off this button, you will see multi-window for all apps is disabled. You will enable or disable multi-window for all apps from here. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can enable or disable multi-window for all apps on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.